Welcome to Dify, where our commitment to your security in 2025 is our top priority. Let's explore how we protect your accounts and transactions. Diffy employs advanced encryption technologies to ensure that your data is safeguarded against potential threats. With multi-factor authentication, your account is protected through multiple layers of security, making unauthorized access extremely challenging. Our state-of-the-art real-time fraud detection system monitors your transactions continuously, ensuring immediate action against any suspicious activity. Customizing your security settings has never been easier. Our user-friendly interface allows you to tailor your account protection according to your needs. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in threat intelligence, analyzing vast amounts of data to preemptively identify potential security threats. At Diffy, we prioritize your privacy, implementing robust measures to safeguard your personal information and maintain user anonymity. We conduct regular security audits to ensure compliance with industry standards, reinforcing the reliability of our security measures. User education is vital. We provide resources on best practices to help you maintain a secure account. As we move into 2025, Diffy remains at the forefront of secure banking, continuously adapting to new security challenges to protect you.